Crypto is one of the most popular terms in the world today, but it's a word that takes work to define. When most people hear crypto, they think of cryptocurrency. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? And how did it come to be? In this video, we'll explore the history of crypto, its origins, and some other key facts about its past and future. We'll also discuss why crypto enthusiasts believe it represents something new in the world of money. You'll clearly understand cryptocurrencies by the time this video is finished. Hello and welcome to Crypto Desk. Welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we will be covering the history of crypto. Pre-Bitcoin crypto. Back in the early days of cryptocurrency, several digital currencies were created. These were all pre-Bitcoin, and they used a variety of different methods for keeping track of transactions and verifying them. One such currency was BitGold, which Nick Szabo created in the late 1990s. BitGold was an early attempt at creating a digital currency that could be used for transactions. Szabo is credited with coming up with the concept of smart contracts back in the 1990s, and his work has been influential in developing cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency concept, the 1980s. The term cryptocurrency first appeared in 1989, and a few years later, in 1980, American cryptographer David Schoen devised digital money, which used encryption to safeguard and authenticate transactions. However, it was only in the early 1990s that cryptographic methods and software that would enable the establishment of a genuinely decentralized digital currency were established. Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash technique in October 2008, outlining a system for producing a digital currency that did not require confidence in any third party. Nakamoto's article began the Bitcoin revolution. The development of Bitcoin. Back to 2009. It was a time when the global economy was in shambles, and people were looking for an alternative to traditional currency. That's when Bitcoin was born. It was a person or group who went by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. And it still needs to be made clear who that is, or if it's even a real person. But what is clear is that Nakamoto's goal was to create a digital currency that was decentralized and independent from governments and banks. And he succeeded, and Bitcoin has been growing in popularity ever since. The launch of the world's first Bitcoin. In 2009, this was a revolutionary step in the world of currency, as it was the first time a digital currency had been created. Bitcoin was unique because it was decentralized, meaning any one institution didn't control it. This made it a perfect candidate for online transactions, as there was no need to worry about third-party interference. The value of Bitcoin has fluctuated over the years, but there's no doubt that it's had a significant impact on the world of currency. Many experts believe that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are the future of digital transactions. If you're finding this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads on the channel. Bitcoin and its importance. The world's first decentralized cryptocurrency has been the topic of several arguments and debates, but pinpointing when Bitcoin initially gained popularity takes time and effort. Many say it peaked in 2017. Rising from $1,000 to $20,000 before plummeting below $10,000. Others argue that cryptocurrency exchanges boosted Bitcoin's appeal by making it easier for those with less technical understanding to purchase and sell Bitcoins. Whatever the cause, one thing is sure, Bitcoin's popularity will rise as more people become aware of what it stands for: decentralization and anonymity. Initial coin offerings. You might have heard of initial coin offerings or ICOs. An ICO is when a company launches a new cryptocurrency token or coin. They do this by selling a percentage of the new tokens to early investors to raise money. This is a recent phenomenon, but it's already raised over $1.3 billion in 2017. ICOs can be a great way to get your foot in the door with cryptocurrency investing. But you need to be careful, there are a lot of scams out there. Do your research before investing in an ICO. The 2017 crypto boom. So, you want to know about the history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Sit down and make yourself comfortable because we'll be here for a while. To start with, let's go right back to the beginning. But it took a little while for people to start taking Bitcoin seriously. In 2011, an online marketplace called Silk Road began to accept Bitcoin as payment, and things started to take off. People could now use Bitcoin to buy all sorts of things illicitly, from drugs to weapons to pornography. And then, in 2017, everything changed. The price of Bitcoin started to skyrocket, and investors began flooding into the cryptocurrency market. Within months, the value of all cryptocurrencies had increased by billions of dollars. The crypto scam era. The year of cryptocurrency was 2017. The number of schemes and frauds targeting crypto investors increased as the value of Bitcoin and other digital assets increased. From phishing assaults to bogus initial coin offerings, crooks managed to steal millions of dollars from unsuspecting customers trying to make a fast profit in the crypto frenzy. With regulators focusing on cryptocurrency, more frauds are expected to emerge in 2022. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, these technologies are here to stay. Bitcoin and blockchain. Author Wei Dai defined modern cryptocurrencies for the first time in 1998. The notion became realized entirely in 2008, with the publication of a white paper outlining the fundamentals of blockchain and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is based on blockchain technology, also known as a triple-entry bookkeeping system. Each time a new transaction is initiated, the sender, recipient, and a third party must confirm and agree on the trade. Every Bitcoin transaction is stored on a blockchain, a triple-entry digital record in which every Bitcoin transaction can be found. 2018 and beyond. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? It's hard to say for sure, but some exciting things are happening in the crypto world now. For example, a new kind of blockchain technology is starting to gain traction. It's called the proof-of-stake algorithm, and it could potentially solve some of the problems that Bitcoin is facing. Plus, more and more companies are starting to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, which is a sign that the crypto community is growing. And let's remember the new wave of crypto-friendly countries, like Malta and Japan, welcoming Bitcoin with open arms. All in all, Bitcoin is here to stay. Whether or not it will reach its full potential is still up for debate, but there's no doubt that crypto is changing the way we do business. The idea behind cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was the first digital currency to use peer-to-peer technology to facilitate instant payments. This meant no need for a third party, like a bank, to mediate transactions. Transactions were verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a dispersed public ledger called a blockchain. This new way of thinking about currency caught on quickly, and other cryptocurrencies soon started popping up. Today, there are thousands of them. But why are they so popular? In 2013, Bitcoin reached its peak value, and since then, its weight has fluctuated quite a bit. The development of cryptocurrencies has only begun, and it's still being determined how it will progress over the next few years. However, there's no doubt that it's here to stay. That's all for now. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.